Hello, welcome to day 22 of Lake Reviews. Today we are here at
Krishna Nagar Kere.
Kere. Kere means lake in Kannada. Anyways, we are here at Krishnanagar Kere. This is the view of the lake. It's pretty decent sized. I mean, I'd say it's well, in the series so far, it's towards one of the bigger ones, and it's pretty looking. Yeah, the view is pretty much just cityscape, but then there's a lot of greenery inside the lake, which is super nice. The track itself isn't that good. It's not that great for jogging or walking or running, but it's clean enough to actually do it. There's a bit of the crowd because there's apartments all around, and then there's like multiple parks and cricket court, and there's a park there where there's a lot of children there, so their parents are obviously here, so that makes up the crowd, I guess. And then there's this small place which is like their memorial of the lake,
Which is really cool.
Yeah, it's really good, and it looks like a place where someone gets married or something.
Yeah.
But it's super tiny. Yeah, so there's pretty stuff around the lake. There's this. Yeah, look at this green. It looks like the Shire from Lord of the Rings.
yeah.
Yeah, it's so green and it's so cute. Yeah, how much would we rate this lake? Oh, and these fountains. They're not on right now, but then yeah,
Those fountain looks like they're floating on air.
because the water is just reflecting the greenery. All this greenery. I mean, I generally rate lakes with no proper tracks pretty low, but then there's like enough greenery here to actually give it a good rating.
Yeah. How much are you gonna rate it?
How much do we rate it?
I'll give it an 8.
8. Honestly, I think it's an 8 too.
Apart from the track, it's all fine, honestly.
And then there's a lot of people though.
I mean, isn't that the whole point, to socialize?
Not really. I like my lakes empty. But then there's like so much greenery. I love it. Okay, we'll go with an 8.
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.